What's up? Eric MFG here, and I still got Christmas stuff. Let's go. See what I got on the table? This is going to be the last Christmas video. I got my favorite snacks from Christmas that aren't gingerbread, because gingerbread got their own video. So let's check it out. See what we got here. Pepperidge Farm Brussels Mint, Archway Wedding Cake Cookies. We got these Nutty Buddy Nutter Poles. Reese's Big Cup with sugar cookie inside, which they're not my favorite Reese's peanut butter cups, but it's Christmas. And these, we just had these pretzels the other day, and somehow I found a box of just the peanut butter ones. They're the best ones. Another Reese's. And then we just had the chewy Chips Ahoy hot cocoa that doesn't taste like hot cocoa, but they're delicious anyway. So we're gonna eat them. Got these Crispers, Market Side Chocolate Crispy Fudge Bites, and white fudge covered Oreos. So what we're gonna do, let's get this all unpacked and we'll start checking it out again. We're back. I got it all unwrapped. Come take a look. Check out my cookies and snacks. Brussels mints. We got the wedding cake. We got the sorry, I always get it wrong. Nutty Buddies. Reese's. My peanut butter pretzels from Trader Joe's. My Chips Ahoy chewy hot cocoa. White chocolate fudge covered Oreos. And these awesome Market Side chocolate fudge bites. Crispy. And milk. Like I said, there was more items that we enjoyed this Christmas season, but couldn't find them again when I decided to make this video. So I did the best I could, and these are some of the best snacks of 2024 Christmas. Where to get started? So much goodness. Guess let's start with the Reese's Sugar Cookie Peanut Butter Cup. Last Christmas video of the year. It's still Reese's Nutter Butters. There's a lot of food. I don't think I thought this through properly. Wedding cake. These Brussels mints from Pepperidge Farm, so underrated. These were the best pretzels from the Trader Joe pretzel pack. Surprising, I was able to find these in just this flavor, the best one. So much fudge on the bottom of these. The reason why there's a couple missing is because we just reviewed them. Of course, I wasn't going to find them again. Hot cocoa-less, fudge-filled Chips Ahoy. Delicious. White chocolate fudge. Making a mess. Can't take me anywhere, ever. Surprisingly, the bigger version of these cookies is not as good. Pretzel tastes more burnt. The mini ones were much better.
Very interesting. That fudge is dense. Well, I think I'm going to save some of these for later. No sense pushing it to the limit. Excuse me. But, like I said, these are some of the best items that we can get our hands on again. All these are 9s or above. I get them all. I hope they come back next year because we'll be getting them. Well, if you want calories, that type of stuff. I mean, we didn't finish anything, but I'll still put it up here. I'll tally it up. That's it for today. Come back again for another food review. And we're on to the next holiday, Valentine's Day.
Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share, bruh.